Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file a claim with Progressive Insurance. If you have been in an accident or sometime something happened to your car, don't stress. Before filing a claim, make sure everyone is safe. If there's an emergency, call 911 first. Move to a safe place if you can. After that, try to collect photos of the damage, location of the accident, other driver's name and insurance, police report number if available. This helps speed up your claim. The easiest way is through a Progressive mobile app. Open the Progressive mobile app, tap claim. After that, tap file a new claim. After that, answer the question on the screen. You can upload photos directly in the app. You can also file a claim by visiting Progressive website and log in. Calling Progressive's claim number available 24/7. Choose the option that easiest for you. After filing, Progressive assigns a claim adjuster. You can track your claim, upload document and see update in the app or online. Progressive will review your claim, inspect the damage and let you know. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.